Good morning, children. Hope you all are okay. Now we will continue with our work, children. Now we'll start with new block 23, road transport S1 from workbook, from mud roads to highways. Now children, already you have learned about what is road transport, right, in your previous class, that is in your small classes. So today we will go with more details on the roads. Now you know what is Kacha road and Pakka road, right? Now Kacha road and Pakka road, you know, Kacha road is with mud road, Pakka means cement road, right? Now here he is saying from mud road to highway. Now highways, you know, it connects from one city to another city, right? Now if you travel, suppose if you are traveling by road, that is, you will connect, suppose you are going to another city. So you will connect to the other road, right? That is known as highway. That road is big road, cement road, and it goes smoothly, right? Now you know highways and mud. Here the difference between traveling on a Kacha roads and cement road. Now we have to find out the difference between the Kacha road and Pakka road, right? So, how highways? Highways has got smooth road of cement, okay? Then, whereas in mud road, not smooth. They are not smooth or Kacha rata. It is difficult to walk or travel. And potholes, gade bolte na, that. Then second point, more vehicles and people can travel. People can travel more, and more vehicles will run on the smooth road and highways. Second point, many vehicles cannot travel. There it is very difficult to travel on that mud road, right? Third one, connects more cities, towns. It connects more cities and towns. More cities and towns. Whereas cannot connect many far away. There are many and far away places. They can't connect for the mud. Travel, it is difficult to travel and it travels slow. It will take lot of time to reach to that place also. Okay? You understood? Right, children? Okay. I'll say more few points, children. Please listen. Okay. Now here. Okay, children. Now, more here. Riding on a mud path is more difficult than riding on a cement path. The mud path will be rough and bumpy. Yes, ऊपर नीचे होते रहते हैं. As the surface is uneven, means not proper. Surface is not proper. The cement part will be faster and easier as it is smoother. With more cement or concrete roads, more vehicles can use the road. More people can travel and travel can be faster. Many big concrete roads in India cannot many big concrete roads in India connect cities and even states. These roads are called highways. They are known as highways. Just now I showed you and explained you on the board. Right? Now, some difficulties will face children. Traffic jams and road accidents are common problems on highways. Children, on highways, it is very difficult, children. Sometimes the road accidents, severe road accidents will occur, and traffic jam also. Unlike mud road. In mud road, it won't be much. Right? You understood, children? Okay. Now I will read from reader. Take out your reader, children. Children, open your reader, children. Page number 142. Block 23, road transport. In early year, from Kacha road to highway. In early times, we only had Kacha roads. You can see this Kacha road, how it is, no? What type of vehicles can be on this road, right? Now, in early times, we only had Kacha roads. Kacha roads are mud roads. They are usually rough and narrow. They are rough and narrow also. Most villages in India have Kacha road. When it rains, these roads get potholes. सब गड़े गड़े हो जाते बेटा, potholes, and become difficult to travel. Over time, people started making cement or concrete roads. These roads are usually smoother than mud roads. Children, you will see our roads also, no? How it is smooth, no? Is it a Kacha road here? No. In our city, all Pakka roads with concrete or cement roads. Today, most roads in India are made of cement or concrete. They connect towns, cities, and states and are called highways. They are also known as highways. The biggest highways are the national highways, or which many vehicles can travel together. Many people can travel from one place to another place easily because of these wide and smooth roads on which vehicles can move faster. How are the roads in your neighborhood? Do you face problems because of the roads? That is your answer. You know that. Okay. I'll read this part also. We all travel from one place to another. Sometimes we travel short distance, like going to the neighborhood, market, or to the school. At other times, we travel long distance to go to another city or country. If we travel by road, we use different types of vehicles. Some vehicles are used to travel short distance, while some are used for long distance. We use different types of vehicles to travel on different types of roads. A vehicle used in a desert may not be used in a forest. Some vehicles also. Vehicles are also used for many purposes. Some carries things while other carries people. Some vehicles carry both things and people also. Now here see these vehicles, here Kacha road, how it is narrow and it's very difficult, but whereas you see here, can the vehicles in the picture travel as easy on the mud road. See how it is so smooth, so wide, so nice, neat and clean, no children? Okay, children, open your workbook, page number 35, S1, from mud road to highway. Now see this picture, look at the picture and answer the question. See this difference between two roads, A and B, right? See, this is Kacha road, how it is difficult. See, this heavy lorry is moving on that. See the potholes, and here see the smoothness of this highway traveling from one place to another, from one city to another city. Now here, first one, what type of roads do you see in the picture? Fill in the blank. A, picture A is a mud road. Dash, in dash you have to write mud road. Picture B is a cement road. This is a cement road. It's very simple, children. Second question, how is traveling in picture A different from picture B? You have to show the picture A and picture B. Now picture A, traveling on the road in picture A will be difficult because the road is not smooth. It is made of mud. I can travel slowly. Picture B, traveling on the road, picture B, will be easy as the road is smooth. It is made of cement. I can travel faster. Okay? Now, third one. Children, one more thing, children, because of this in workbook, this red line little bit shaking because in the video because of this color. Okay. Now, question 3, write about a problem that cement road made and mud road do not. Now, cement roads have traffic jam and more roads accidents because of a higher number of fast moving vehicles on the road. Okay.